It's lots of adjustments left to do here. Too narrow here, and it doesn't fit in the corner. I think it's too angled too much out. But we will work on it, and we will get there. These lights are further out and have a more aggressive look to it, if you ask me. I think we will build some attachment point with hot glue. Just using a regular hot glue gun and fix something. After that we will plaster it with fiberglass and it will get really strong. And I don't know really now how to we will mount it, but we will come up with something. We start this one. Yes. It doesn't fit like I want here. It's too wide, and I can see we can't get it in all the way. So it's too much material on the inside. So we have to cut out a bit here. And I will mark the inside just to see where we are. Let's see if we can see it. Here it's too much material. We can't push this one in. So I have to cut out a bit here. We can take like 10 millimeters off on this. It doesn't need to be like that. So we'll work on that. Then I can push it in a bit. We try to get this gap uniform. I use some just something so I have something to compare to. This thing does all, I can force it in, but not over here. So it should be down a bit if you to have it uniform like this. And then we have to compare it to the other side. And that's a much bigger gap. So I have to get this bumper up a bit there. Like that. And something like that. Then I think we painted black in between here. Something like that. Because we have this, we have to have the bumper on the right position before I can fiddle around with the light here. Maybe the bumper is too high in this area. Or the light is too big. We can try with another light because it's really tight here. I don't like that. Can't get the light in the right position. it's the same thing here. This is much better than the other one. Maybe this corner is too low, I think. Now we have some clearance here. Let's take you with me. We have, if you look up under here, we have some, I can't get it in the right position like that. We have some clearance there. It's not much, but I think that's all what we're going to get. And you see here what I mean. The light is not following the lines. And that's what I like with this thing. It's not follow the lines of the car. It's extended out a bit here. That's what I want. Now I try to build some attachment points. We have one over here, and it should be one at the top here. That one is, they have cut it off, and I have to build a new one. But I want something in this area, because we don't want to rub away the paint so it starts to rust. I didn't have something out here the last time, but I have an attachment point here that so I have 3 attachment points, and that worked. That one I did it the lazy way. Just took a hose and pulled the screw through it, so I could screw the screw in and out, and the hose was compromised for the adjustment. This time I think we tried to get another solution. I've been thinking about this. I have this clip. Try to get that one fitted in this square hole here. If we just use the clip to put in the hole, and then it couldn't go too far away. We will try it. I do like this. I take this screw and put it in here a bit. That will expand this thing. Don't know how far you see. Will you see about there? Try to get it in like that. Is that enough? No, it's too big. I can't have that big screw there. No, it will be. Need to have a smaller screw or skip it. Maybe we don't need any screw. Just put it there. The plan is to take hot glue on the clip and put it in the square hole. Then put some hot glue on the light. If we then mount everything on the car, the two pieces will glue together in the exact right position. The problem I have here is, first of all, the clip is almost too wide for the square hole. The second thing is that the hole is too far away from the end of the light. Right now it doesn't feel like I get the perfect fit I'm after. Not sure this is the best way to do it. It feels... I didn't feel right to get it in there. Very hard to get it in the right position. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.